Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Hello Elementor child theme. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To start, you'll want to navigate to Elementor's FAQ or documentation on their official website. This is a helpful resource that provides a direct link to the Hello Elementor child theme repository on GitHub. Visiting this repository ensures that you're getting the most up-to-date and official version of the child theme, which is essential for maintaining compatibility and avoiding any issues down the line. Once you've located the correct GitHub repository, look for the option to download the zip file of the child theme. GitHub provides this as a direct download link, usually visible as a green button that says Code with a Download Zip option. Next, head over to your WordPress dashboard, which is the central hub for all your website management tasks. From here, navigate to Appearance and then Crang. You'll want to select Themes to proceed further. Once you're in the Theme section, click on Install New Theme, located at the top of the page. This opens up options for adding a new theme to your site. Here you'll also find the option to upload theme, which is what you'll be selecting next. Click on Choose File, and when the file selector opens, find and select the zip file of the child theme that you saved earlier. Once the file is selected, click on Install. Now WordPress will begin unpacking and installing the contents of your child theme zip file. This process generally takes just a few moments. After the installation is complete, the next step is to activate the theme. You'll see an Activate button, which you simply need to click to set your newly installed child theme as the active theme for your WordPress site. And there you have it. So that is how you can create Hello Elementor child theme. So that's all for this video. Thanks.